So we're going to practice the wheel. This is a fairly advanced pose. If you don't feel flexible enough for this, do not attempt it. You need upper body strength, you need strength in the arms to attempt this pose. So if you feel you're not ready for the wheel, be judicious, be safe. You just do the Setu Bandhasan again, the bridge, hold it there for 10 seconds. If you want to join me in the wheel, you're going to turn your hands under, bring them under your shoulder blades. Your feet are hip width apart, knees hip width apart, and don't worry about it if your knees start to go apart as you come up. It's perfectly okay the first time you attempt it. So your fingers are resting under your shoulder blades, and we're going to bring the legs as well as the arms away from the floor all together. Take a nice deep breath in. Start to stretch up. Think of lifting your body rather than pushing with your lower back. You shouldn't be feeling any crunchy feeling in your lower back. Outsides of the thighs are rolling in towards each other. If your arms are bent here, it's all right. If you can, straighten the arms, staying there for 10 seconds. If you're tired, release the pose slowly by bending your knees and your arms. Keep breathing. Gently bending the knees and the arms, coming down to the floor, hugging the knees into the chest. Bring your head in towards your knees, either your forehead or your chin. Hold there for a few breaths, 3 long breaths here. And gently release. Straighten out your neck. Stretch it to the side. Other side. Pull your neck out nice and long. Bringing the chin in towards your chest. Relax the neck, relax the shoulders. Straighten out the legs now. Resting your lower back down on the floor. If in this pose, in Shavasana, in the corpse pose, you feel that your lower back is achy or it's not feeling comfortable, you can place a bolster or 2 cushions underneath your knees, so your knees will be slightly bent this way and your lower back will come onto the floor. Use the width of your mat as a guide. Your legs are at least hip width apart. Move anything you have close to you away from your body. Move your hands away 6 to 8 inches. Palms turned up, toes falling to the sides. Gently close your eyes and focus on your breath. Relaxing your arms, your shoulders, your neck and your throat. Feel your jaw relax. The skin of your forehead, taking a nice long inhalation as you're doing this. Exhale fully and just be with yourself, connect with your body and your breath for a few moments.